Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Are you serious, dog? I'm stuck.
Are you literally stuck?
Just restart.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes. 3,
Ready? Okay, yeah.
2, 1, go.
Beautiful. Okay, next one we'll get.
Okay, yeah, we'll get it next time. I felt like
Yeah.
I fucked up really bad on that Hummer, by the way. It's so slow. The vehicle yeah.
The pink car is really bad. The pink car is really bad. I'm like, the pathing to go out is really dog shit too.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I'm stuck again, dude. This car sucks ass. Okay, just restart.
Okay. I thought maybe I could unwedge it. Alright.
Hold on. Let me. Will planks help the car drive?
Not really. If you have a lot of debris, it's probably what you're getting stuck on.
It is what I'm getting stuck on, but I can't blow it out.
Let's see, what is it?
I'm putting a bomb down.
Oh, the big ones? You gotta like pick them. I'll move them out for you.
You can pick them up?
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
What? How?
Are you on?
I'm using. What's mouse? Yeah. What is it?
Right mouse.
That would have saved me so much time.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Save the game again in a second.
Gotcha.
Yeah, because this is gonna save me so much time. Okay, when you get over there, just save your game so that way we're in good spots.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try to go my route since I'm over here too a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Cause like.
That's fine. I can clean up mine too, because it's pretty bad.
Alright.
Yeah, I did not know you can lift shit and move it.
I'm in the car already.
Oh wait, let me get back to the car and save, and then you can save. All right, go ahead, save.
Save.
Stick. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god, it made it so much easier.
Oh, I totaled the fucking car! Oh my god.
Well, okay, I have my route down now.
Okay. Yeah, like, I hit the car too hard. I fucking slammed into it, totaled it. I'm ready. 3, 2, 1.
Right. Yeah, go.
Oh, go? Okay.
Dog, why can't I move? Oh, I pushed the wrong button. Okay. Perfect. That pink car sucks so much ass.
I know what you mean. Wow. I thought maybe going this way would be better. It was just actually way worse.
You want to restart?
Yeah, restart. Alright.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Here, I'm gonna get out and you can drive.
You got all your cars?
I got all my cars. Oh my god! Is it impossible what you're doing?
No, it's just that like when I brought the car down, it got so fucked up, and that's the problem I'm having right now. But
What's the problem?
I could make it. I can't make it. It's just that like what was it? I burnt down too much, and the car's it's really broken. It's really... But we could do it. We could do it. I'm ready again.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, get in first, and then I'll get in.
All right.
Okay, I'm good. Coming down to the wire. There is no. Oh, it's so fucked up. That car is fucked up.
it's like okay. I just gotta be a bit faster about it. I just gotta. It's so fucked up. But okay, I'm ready.
What we could do too is like we could start that car earlier.
Actually,
and
you know
then
what?
like if.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let me go do that car first.
Yeah, that car is fucked up. Let's see if we can shave time off with it.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
So bad. Alright, you in?
Yeah, go. Honestly, even if I'm not in, ignore me and go.
Okay.
Your stuff takes longer than my stuff. I don't need the car ride. The car ride just makes it easier.
Okay.
How? It's the same.
but this one was my fault. I crashed and got the car wedged. I crashed and got so
Oh
I
my
had,
god.
I had to walk. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I totaled it. Okay. I totaled.
Right now we're on the same time thing.
Oh my god. We did it. I get spun out.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Me getting out changed your is it me that's fucking you up?
No, it's just so much debris. What's up?
You want to clear the debris real quick?
Yeah, let's clear the debris. Let's clear the debris. Here,
Okay, we gotta make this quick. I gotta get off right now.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I want to try it one more time with clear debris. Where's the debris? Where is it? That's bothering you. It's that way?
No, it's like when we pull out with that red car, it's all this shit right here.
Okay, let's blow it. Which way are you blowing it? Oh,
Alright. And then this section right here.
Where?
Over
Okay,
here.
I see.
Yeah.
Do that too. Anything else?
Then we'll blow all this shit out. And if we don't get it, we don't get it. Like, it's fucking... This is... Alright. Okay, I'm getting into position.
Okay. I'm in position.
Okay. I'm ready to go. Ready?
Oh yeah, you saved the game?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I didn't do it. I fucking... Never mind. I spun the car out. I could probably still do it. I could probably still do it. Hold on. Oh, no, I hit this. No! I secured it! I secured it! All I had to do was get in the truck. Okay.
Okay, this time we got it.
Okay, that's how we got it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Pink car sucks so much ass. Okay,
I'm just gonna go.
yeah, I can still probably do it.
I'm not doing it anymore. The car literally decided
Restart.
Alright.
Speed run. We got like I'm gonna say like 7 more attempts.
Okay. 3,
Okay, ready?
2,
Yeah.
1, go. Restarting. I totaled the car.
Dog.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, go. I know I got all the easy ones, but man, that car is fucking over there that you got.
Yeah, this car is destroyed.
Might be it. Yes! Yes!
Yes!
We did it.
Holy
We had with a whole 1.6 seconds left to spare.
yeah, well,